Come and fly with me, SHGZ. Bred out of a half-sister of 1,55 m horse Islonzo van Heike. Come and fly with me, SHGZ represents a very good dam line and is sired by the promising and genetically valuable 7-year-old stallion Corlou PS. Dam Hisaura van Heike has competed up to international 1,40 m level and is half-sister of the international 1,55 m show jumper Islonzo van Heike of Séverin-Ilroux. Great Grand Dam Golympia is listed as the Grand Dam of outliers like the Grand Prix horses Valentina van Heike of Jos Lansing and Cassandra van Heike of Thiago Ribas da Costa. Therefore, she can also be found in the dam line of the well-known Grand Prix stallion Pleaser van Heike.